Welcome to USA Market. In the ever-evolving landscape of precision machining and automation, CNC computer numerical control routers have become indispensable tools for a wide range of industries. Whether you're a hobbyist looking to unleash your creativity or a professional aiming for unparalleled precision, investing in the right CNC router can make all the difference. The market is flooded with options, each boasting unique features and capabilities. To help you navigate through the myriad choices, we've compiled a list of the top 5 best CNC router machines. These cutting-edge devices combine cutting precision, speed, and versatility to cater to the diverse needs of users. Join us as we explore the leading contenders that have set new benchmarks in the world of CNC routing, providing users with a seamless blend of innovation and performance. Number 5. CNC 4040 Blue CNC Router Machine. The CNC 4040 Blue boasts an impressive aluminum alloy frame, combining sleek aesthetics with robust construction. Its compact dimensions of 715 x 630 x 360 mm make it ideal for any workspace. The attention to detail in its design is evident, and the durable build ensures longevity, making it a key selling point for users seeking reliability. Equipped with a generous engraving area of 400 x 400 mm, this CNC router delivers exceptional precision. Whether you're working on intricate designs or larger projects, the machine consistently produces detailed and accurate results. The optional spindle power variants 100W, 300W, 500W provide flexibility, catering to a range of engraving requirements. One of the standout features of the CNC 4040 Blue is its versatility. Users can choose between spindle and laser options, with laser power options ranging from 10W to 40 watts. The inclusion of a fiber laser enhances cutting capabilities, opening up new possibilities for various materials. The machine's ability to switch between engraving and laser modes adds significant value to its overall functionality. Number 4. Comgro Z1 CNC Router Machine. The Comgro Z1 boasts a sturdy and durable construction. The machine is well built, and its components are of high quality. The robust frame ensures stability during operation, contributing to precise and accurate cuts. The Comgro Z1 is a multifunctional CNC machine that lives up to its promises. The integration of CNC laser engraving capabilities expands its versatility. Whether you're working on intricate wood designs or need precise laser engraving, this machine delivers excellent results. The Wi-Fi offline control feature adds convenience, allowing for easy and flexible operation. Setting up and using the Comgro Z1 is surprisingly user-friendly. The included manual provides clear instructions, and the intuitive control interface simplifies the learning curve. The machine is suitable for both beginners and experienced users, making it accessible to a wide range of woodworking enthusiasts. Number 3. Tutre's TTC 450 CNC Router Machine. The machine boasts a robust construction with a combination of 4080 aluminum profile and sheet metal, ensuring durability and stability during operation. The design is sleek, and the CNC router looks impressive in my workspace. The attention to detail in the construction is evident, and it instills confidence in its ability to handle demanding tasks. Equipped with the GRBL controller, the TTC 450 delivers exceptional precision in CNC milling. Whether I'm working with MDF PVC, acrylic, solid wood, or even metals like aluminum and copper, the machine consistently produces accurate and intricate cuts. The CNC functionality is user-friendly, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. One of the standout features of the TTC 450 is its dual functionality as a CNC router and laser engraver. Switching between the two modes is seamless, allowing me to tackle a broader range of projects. The laser engraving capability is a game changer, providing the flexibility to work on materials like organic board, epoxy resin, nylon PCBs, and even delicate tasks, such as engraving on wood and acrylic. Number 2. Liebgek 2030 30 40 30 60 40 60 CNC Router Machine. The first thing that caught my attention is the solid construction of the machine. The frame, made of 12-15 mm aluminum plate, provides excellent stability, ensuring smooth and precise operation during the cutting and engraving processes. The aluminum alloy T-table with a water tank adds durability and allows for effective cooling during prolonged use. Equipped with the MACH3 controller, the Liebgek CNC router offers a user-friendly interface. The USB port facilitates seamless communication, and the machine is compatible with a range of software, including MACH3, EMC2, CAM TYPE3, Wentai, ArtCam, and CopperCam. This versatility allows users to choose the software that best suits their needs and preferences. The 1500W air cooling spindle motor is a standout feature of this CNC router, with a variable speed range of 0 to 30,000 Rmin and 6-speed regulation options. It provides the flexibility needed for different applications. The ER11 collet type with a 1/8 3.175 mm collet ensures compatibility with various milling bits, allowing for a wide range of cutting possibilities. Number 1. Foxalien CNC Router Machine. The Foxalien Masuter Pro boasts a compact and sturdy design that doesn't compromise on working area. The 400mm x 400mm workspace provides ample room for a variety of projects. The machine's overall construction is robust, ensuring stability during operation. The attention to detail in the design is evident, making it an attractive addition to any workshop. One of the standout features of the Masuter Pro is its smart capabilities. The CNC router comes equipped with intelligent technology that enhances user experience. The user-friendly interface makes it easy for both beginners and experienced users to navigate through the machine's functions. The smart device integration adds a layer of convenience, allowing for seamless control and monitoring. The heart of any CNC router is its spindle, and the Foxalien doesn't disappoint. The 775 spindle, capable of reaching 10,000 RPM, ensures precise and efficient cutting, carving, and engraving. Whether working with wood, plastics, or soft metals, the Masuter Pro delivers consistent and reliable results. The 52mm and 65mm clamp options included in the package provide versatility for securing different materials. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel for more product videos.